I'm coming to you guys today from a different scenery, okay? Well, let me first say, if it's a little bit loud, please forgive me. I'm in the beautiful park, so I decided that I'm gonna drop you a video right now. If you look behind me, you see the river. So beautiful. So, what is that mumbo jumbo? Do you want your channel to look more professional and much more easy to find? Then keep on watching this video. I'm going to show you how to find and enable your custom URL for your channel. Okay? Welcome back to my channel, and if it is your first time here, welcome. If you want to learn how to start a YouTube channel or even just to grow the YouTube channel that you already have, well, you're in the right place, because I'm here to help you grow your influence on YouTube using your videos. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, then make sure to click that subscribe button and click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. So the first thing that you're going to do is click on your profile image in the top right hand corner of the YouTube main page. Then you're going to click on Creator Studio. That is then going to take you to this page, and you're going to go to the bottom left hand corner where you're going to find the settings button, and you're going to click on the settings. It's going to bring up this page, and then you're going to want to click on channel. Then the feature eligibility tab. Then you're going to click on status and features. When you scroll down to the bottom, it should tell you whether or not you're eligible for a custom URL. And you can see it right here. I just want to say big up my friend Yandy for letting me use her channel for this demonstration, as I already did this to my channel and I cannot do it twice. So guys, if you're interested in dancing, my friend, she does dancing on her channel. She's a praise dancer. Go ahead and check out her channel and show her some love, okay? The requirements to get a YouTube custom URL are very simple. All you need is 100 subscribers. Your channel has to be at least 30 days old. You need a custom channel banner and a channel icon, also known as your profile picture. And if you want me to do a short tutorial for you on how to create a channel banner or channel art, just let me know in the comments. There's also another way to get your custom URL. And what you want to do is you want to go back to this page, then click on Advanced Settings. Then you want to scroll down to the bottom where you see Manage Your YouTube Account option. When you get to this page, click on Advanced Setting in the left hand bar. And all you have to do now is click on that link to claim your custom URL. The reason for a custom URL is to change all of that mumbo jumbo that you see to something that you prefer, whatever it may be, or even your channel name. But basically what it does is give you a much easier URL to remember. When you get this URL, you can use it to market your channel, and frankly, it looks much more professional. Here, you'll see that it already chose your channel name as your URL. So all you have to do now is confirm it. Boom, it's yours. So let's go back to that first screen to see if it is enabled. And there you go, it's enabled. So now you have a custom URL for your channel. Looks much more professional. You can market your YouTube channel easily, and you can remember your URL easily. So now when you're directing somebody to your YouTube channel, all you have to say is youtube.com, your channel name, and they'll find you. And when you click on it, it should take you exactly to your channel, just like that. If you're watching this video but you don't have 100 subscribers just yet, go and watch this video right now so that you can get your 100 subscribers. And remember, stay humble, but keep hustling. I'll see you in my next video.